In this video, I will be showing you how to create a comparison table in Napkin AI. Let's get started. I'll begin by selecting the option to describe my idea. I'm going to type in a prompt asking for a comparison between a basic and pro tier for a SaaS product, focusing on specific details like price, storage, and support. Once my prompt is ready, I'll click Next. The AI quickly generates the structured text based on my requirements. Once it's finished, I'll hover over the section and click the blue sparkle icon on the left to view the visual suggestions. In the Suggestions panel, I can explore various styles like Venn diagrams or pros and cons lists. I'll navigate to the Comparison category and select Tables to see specific design options for that style. I'll browse through the available designs and pick the one that best fits the look of my project. Now that the table is inserted, I can start editing the visual exactly the way I want. I'll start by clicking the title to adjust the font style and size. By clicking on Group, I gain full control over the individual elements within the table. I'm going to swap out the icon for the basic tier, change the column's background color to a nice green, and tweak the text color to ensure everything is easy to read. And there you have it. That's the complete process of creating a comparison table in Napkin AI.